Yo, good morning everyone. How is everyone doing? Just a monitor zone down, guys. No trade on this zone for now. I like the sell zone. Sell zone is an aggressive zone for me. This monitor zone just looks too good to be true, too simple to play out. Therefore, I'm not trusting it for now. So just monitoring it. I'm just monitoring it. I'm not trusting it enough, guys, because it just looks too good to be true. Might play out, but I like the sell zone. Sell zone is an aggressive zone for me. So this is what we're doing right now, boys. Let's go. Good morning. How was my night? Well, guys, today, look, I fell asleep and my phone ran out of battery. That's why I slept too much, guys. I slept way too much, guys. Look, price is holding the monitor zone. I did not enter this monitor zone, okay, guys? It just looks too good to be true, you know, looks too easy of a trade. Looks too easy of a trade, so. Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? As I say, just a monitor zone, guys. I'm not entering as of right now. On this monitor zone, it just looks too good, guys. Looks too good, too easy. Sell zone does look good. I really like the sell zone. Sell zone is an aggressive entry zone for me. This monitor zone, just a zone I'm monitoring, alright? For now, just monitoring the zone. Not getting fancy with it. And no, guys, I'm not in. If I was in, guys, I would tell you right away. I'm entering now. But as I say, for now, I'm just monitoring, guys, because it looks... I mean, it might hold. It's a setup, but it just looks too clear, you know? Too easy. Too easy of a zone for it to work out. I like zones that follow my strategy, but are more refined, you know? Zones that are harder to see for most people. This to me just looks like a too obvious of a zone, which might play out, could play out perfectly. But too good to be true, usually in trading, when it's too good to be true, it is. So always best to watch out, just monitor for now. And guys, you need to understand, yesterday we caught 400 pips, so, and I'm on a pretty good streak. So last thing I want to do is just fuck it up in some stupid trade or whatever. Oh yeah, welcome everyone, guys. Make sure you all follow my new TikTok account. By the way, those of you on YouTube, I'm also streaming on TikTok right now, so go check that out if you wish. While we wait, guys, and yeah, it looks like they are starting tomorrow to do the renovation of my apartment in Dubai. So hopefully in a few weeks I will be able to be back. Well, I mean, I can go back anytime, but I just don't want to stay in an Airbnb. You know, what's the point of staying in an Airbnb? The 5th, tomorrow they can pick up my car for service. Okay, I can't forget about that. Bro, again, TikTok, I just don't understand what's wrong. just don't understand what's wrong with TikTok not liking my lives, guys. Huh? That's it. Look, price holding the zone. And let's see, boys, price is holding the monitor zone. Why did you not stay in the old one? Well, they are busy because the old one I was renting the old apartment and the contract finished just on time. I mean, but everything perfect, really, everything lined up perfectly for me. Well, lined up perfectly. A lot of fucking stress moving stuff around and whatever, but yeah, whatever. What do you feel when you think I catch the secret for money growth? I really don't understand what you mean. How's the car? The car's doing great, but they are taking it for service tomorrow. So I need to share with the guy where I hid the keys so he can get them and give them the car. I'm still sticking to this sell zone, I like it. And look, the buy zone price is reacting from it. I did not trade it, guys, look too obvious, but look, price is actually holding it for now, but let's see. If I see some sort of confirmation, I might give it a chance. For now, just monitoring the buy zone. How old were you when you made your first $1 million? I was 22. I was 22, boys. Wow, price holding the monitor zone, guys. I was 22, but I had been working since I was 15, guys. I mean, it will take you 5 years to make your first million. From the moment you actually get very serious about making money, till the time you achieve your first million will take you 5 years, on average. I can guarantee you, it's a process. It's always the same. It is always the same. Are you, Alex? You look a bit tired. Look, I slept today. 9.5 hours I slept today. If I look tired, this is because I slept too much. I needed this. I had a weekend of just being out, whatever. And I really needed some good rest. Well, to be honest, I put the alarm, but my phone ran out of battery. I fell asleep without charging my phone. That's why I did not wake up earlier today. I'm sorry, guys. Not like I missed much, because I would have not caught this sell, and potentially I would have saved myself a potential loss, because most likely on this move I would have most likely looked to trade from, look, even this zone, I would have most likely given it a shot at this zone. So good. I was asleep, guys. Good, I was asleep. Good, I was asleep. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. Yo, appreciate the follows. Did you start with funded or own capital? So I actually started with funded account. Well, I started with personal capital, but my first, let's say, large payout. Well, my first actual payout that was not luck, because I had one trade in 2020 that I got very lucky with oil. I turned $500 to 10K, but it was pure luck, zero skill involved. But my first actual multiple $1,000 payout was from prop firms, but this was in a different era with prop firms. This was when prop firms made sense, you know. Now trading prop firms is just makes no sense. Just makes no sense because you're gonna be grinding 1 month. You're gonna be grinding 1 month of good trading performance, because at the end of the day, if you are passing the challenges, if you are getting the payout, that means you're performing very well. To then get your payout denied, so what is this? You have been grinding 1 month for nothing, for free? Well, you've been grinding 1 month at a cost, then it makes no sense. That's just how I view it. The link on Telegram doesn't work for your lives. Yeah, you have to search them, guys. You have to search it. And by the way, make sure you all join my free link in bio. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Your hair is gone long. I know, guys. I know. Now the bad thing about my hair is that I have to do it, you know? Like if I actually make my hair, it's amazing. But if not, it's horrible, as you can tell. Yeah, but if you have only 500 to trade with, you have no other choice than to buy a prop account, or you can trade the 500. I mean, you just have $500. It's gonna take your SL, bro, and after it's gonna go previous day high. I got the same feedback yesterday, and guess what? We got a 1-2, I don't know, 1-2-10, 1-2-15 risk to reward yesterday, so. Go, welcome everyone. 17 RR. It went to how much pips? How many pips yesterday? Zone. It was from here, 64.3. I think I entered 64.3 from right here, and this was fucking yesterday straight, guys. But you know, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was playing golf, so I did not catch it until here. But this was over 400 pips. I think my last was somewhere here, my last TP, last level where I took profits was somewhere there. This was yesterday straight, guys. 67, I believe it was the SL. 1-12, and if we put it all the way until the low of the week, 1-2, yeah, almost 1-17. Not bad yesterday straight, guys. Not bad at all. Great start to our month. That was the zone right there. And price holding the monitor zone. Let's see if it gets to the sell zone and we trade towards taking out all of this liquidity below. Anybody in the chat understands Alex's strategy? Who in the chat is inside the community and has learned my strategy? Let me know, guys, if you know any better strategy than mine. So let me know if you know any better strategy than mine. There is no better strategy. I have used way too many. STS speak. Lowest sell, high risk to reward, best strategy, and high win rate. Really, for the risk to rewards we catch, I have a very high win rate. I mean, now it's been 3 weeks. We are at 100% win rate. Well, except yesterday, guys, I took a 20 pip stop loss before the monster trade. On the lower zone, we had 2 zones. The one below failed. Took a 20 pip loss, guys. What's a 20 pip loss if after we catch a 400 pip trade? But yeah, actually, yesterday I broke the streak. But should I count it as we broke the streak or no? Should I count it as a broken streak or no? I mean, technically I did break the streak because it's not a 100% win rate. It is 100% winning days. But it is not a 100% win rate streak because yesterday before the monster trade we took a small 20 pip loss. But what's a 20 pip loss, guys? If I made almost 8 times what I made on the loss on the next trade. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And let's see today, guys. You know, market is being responsive, guys. It's been a while where I wake up. It's been a while. I wake up and I see the setups. I go to bed already seeing the setups for the next day. You know, those are the good trading periods for me where you really feel yourself with the market, you know. There's periods in time where you just really feel yourself in the market, where you really feel it, where you're like, I go to bed, I check the charts before going to bed. I mean, I'm constantly checking the charts, just, it's like a habit. Check the chart and I'm like, okay, tomorrow, most likely price is gonna aim for this liquidity, so let's hope it forms a setup somewhere around this area to target that. And you already go to bed with that in mind. And then you wake up and you see that's exactly happening. You know, those are the best trading times. It's like you really feel yourself with the market. It was like the start of the year. The start of the year was insane for me trading, guys. Like, proper insane. Like, proper insane. Yo, appreciate everyone following, guys. Make sure you all drop a follow on TikTok. By the way, everyone on YouTube, everyone on YouTube, I'm also live on TikTok where there is less stream. Go check out my new TikTok account. Drop a follow there. And guys, let's get to 10,000 likes at least on TikTok. Easy. If we be very disciplined, yeah, I mean, guys, I have to count. Yesterday we broke the streak. We had a super profitable day yesterday, but I broke the streak because I took a 20 pip loss right on the zone below. I took a 20 pip loss. This was the initial zone. Well, I mean, I can just share you exactly. So this was yesterday. This was the first setup, which this is the one that gave the monster trade. And this was the other setup, which also looked very nice, this setup, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. This one, we took a 20 pip loss right here, and then monitoring the zone, so waiting for the next zone, then we caught the monster trade, guys. 200 pips, 1 to 10 risk to reward. Is it not loading? And here I had closed around 80% of my position. Then on the other 20%, break even, whatever. This was on yesterday's setup. Not bad, guys, not bad, not bad. I mean, I'm on a pretty good streak trading, so yeah, great stuff. You was gambling there, to be honest. I mean, what do you mean there was no confluence? If it was the first setup I shared, if it was this zone I shared that we traded, sorry, you can't see. It was this zone. I do not trade pending orders, but obviously guys, I always share the setups beforehand, which means that you can always place your pending orders if you wish. I took that setup, made 14k. Nice. How to join your community? Well, it's free to join. I have not opened spots yet today, guys. Look, if we get to 10,000 likes on TikTok, I might open spots for free for you guys to join. Price holding around the monitor zone. Let's see, boys. No, wish the na 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 na. Yo, thank you for the follows, boys. How do I enter here at monitor zone? For now, it's a monitor zone. I'm not entering. I'm not entering, guys. It just looks too good to be true, you know, and I don't like too good to be true zones because usually they fail. I like zones that are very clear to me, but not that clear to the rest. Those are the best zones. Always. The zones that are very clear to me, very clear to the way I view the market, but then if I put myself in the shoes of any other trader, they do not look that clear. This is why I always say whenever I come here live, and I have a setup I like, and most people tell me, oh, your setup is gonna fail because whatever theories they have in mind, that's when I am most confident about my trade, because that means it's something that's very clear to me, but not clear to the rest. And this over the years I've been trading, the many years I've been trading, and the many years I've been trading the same exact strategy, I have figured out plays out very good. Because guys, you need to understand the market is seeking liquidity. Therefore, the market most of the times is going to be doing the opposite most retail traders are viewing. Because the market is looking to absorb that liquidity. Market can only move if there is liquidity. So if most retail traders are looking to buy at a level, it's very easy for an institution to push the price lower. Absorbing just one institution can easily absorb the volume of millions of retail traders. Therefore, it's very easy for them, if they know there's a level where a lot of retail traders are buying, to just absorb that volume and sell harder. That's why for me, when I see most retail traders say, oh, your trade is not gonna play out because there is a zone below or a zone above or whatever, then it's when I'm most of the time like, okay, the zone is very clear to me following my strategy. There's a very high chance it's gonna play out. I wish that I could run. it happened that you were 100% sure about some zone? No. 100% never, guys. If I was 100% sure about a trade, if I was 100% sure, guys, I would go full margin with millions of dollars, like with all of my net worth, I would put into that one trade. It's not gonna never happen 100%. That's why risk management is so important. Are you that kimchi guy everyone is talking about? I have no idea what's a kimchi guy. Surprise me. Enlighten me with what's a kimchi guy. You bitch scammer, be careful, guys. These guys are trying to scam you. Are you talking about me? Is it your first time joining? I mean, guys, am I a scammer? I go live. I tell you when we are in a win streak, when we are in a losing streak. I share everything for free. You guys let me know. This is something that's this is someone that's commenting on YouTube, which must be his first time joining my YouTube live. Must be his first time joining my YouTube live, because I get this feedback. Look, I get this feedback when it's either the first time they join my YouTube live or when it's an unfortunate live where I take a loss, which is normal. You are the best. I know you for the last 2 years. Been with him 3 years. This guy's 100% transparent. Yeah, I always try to be as transparent as I can. I mean, guys, because I can't hide it, you know. I can't hide my wins. I can't hide my losses. They happen live. We move forward with it, you know. So welcome everyone, guys. Let's see if we get to 10K followers. I'm here since there was no face cam. Those are some OG stuff. Now it must be 4 years. Exactly 4 years now I did a face reveal. Yo, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it on YouTube, guys. Let's leave it at guy. I think he now understood what's up. Are you in Dubai or Spain? Right now I'm in Spain, guys. Look at the setup. It's not the Burj Khalifa views that we have behind me now. As you can tell. But hey, I'm chilling here. I'm actually chilling here. And the snipe neon. You know, I'm not sure if I have it at this home or at my mother's place. I think it might be at my mother's place. I have the neon light somewhere. Should I put the neon light back here, like the good old days? I have it somewhere, because I finished the lease of the office I had here in Spain. Well, the lease, the renting. And I'm not sure where I put the neon sign. How's Spain with all the stuff happening? I rather not comment on that. You know? I rather not comment on that. By the way, guys, make sure you all follow everyone on YouTube. I'm also live on TikTok. Therefore, go join the TikTok. There's less delay there. You will enjoy my lives on TikTok. And guys, everyone on TikTok, there's a lot of value on my YouTube page. So also make sure you go check it out. Did I move to Dubai because of taxes? I mean, there's many reasons why I moved to Dubai. Obviously, one of them is taxes. I'm not gonna lie to you, not gonna lie to anyone. One of them is obviously taxes, but guys, If you're in my industry, everyone is there. Business is fast, people are ready to grind. I mean, I have leveled up significantly since I moved to Dubai. Well, you guys have seen it. I have leveled up significantly since moving to Dubai. Leveled up significantly, so yeah. I can only say good stuff about Dubai. Like, actually. I have leveled up significantly. I'm followed because I joined VIP. Nice. Who here is inside the community? Zero tax main thing. There is no zero tax in Dubai. There is a 9% corporate tax, but there is no income tax. There is no dividend tax. There is no capital gains tax. There is no tax on property. I mean, guys, fucking paradise. Fucking paradise. What else do you want? If you're making money, you have to move to Dubai right now. You know what I mean, boys? You know what I mean? What day of the week is it today? Ah, it's only Tuesday. Nice. For taxes, you have to open your own business there. Well, for residency, you need to be either sponsored by a company, or you need to set up your own company, or get the golden visa, which, guys, now I can get the golden visa. Now I'm eligible for the golden visa, but I'm not sure if it makes sense. So right now I have my own company provided me my visa. So I'm like sponsored by my own company. But now I can apply for the golden visa, but I'm not sure if it makes sense for me to apply for the golden visa, because apparently, which is I have to talk with my accountants to see, with the lawyers that manage all of this stuff for me, to see what's the way around it. But if you have the golden visa, then you cannot deduct your salary from the taxes of your company, because you're an investor, not a worker. So yeah, boys, let's see gold. Let's see gold. With what visa are you living in Dubai? Do you have golden visa? Well, I just explained. I'm living with the regular visa, but I am going to be like, now I am eligible for the golden visa because I just bought an apartment. And guys, let's see today. Yesterday was an incredible day, guys, for the community. Who got yesterday's setup in the community? I mean, yesterday we really printed, boys. Yesterday we really printed, boys. And yeah, let's get to 10,000 likes on YouTube, and I will open, sorry, on TikTok, and I will open spots to join community for free. Let's get to 10,000 likes and I will open spots to join community for free, boys. Now wish na 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 na. Come on, gold. Guys, make sure you all follow and join my free group. Those of you on YouTube, guys, I'm also live on TikTok right now. Snipe Trading Official. Go search me up over there, because we are gonna run up this TikTok account, guys. We are gonna run it up. We are gonna be running it up, boys. We are going to be running it up. Is anybody here in his VIP group? Who here is in my VIP group on YouTube? Who's inside my VIP group? Rate it, guys. As you know, I always welcome feedback. VIP group, papi. I'm in the VIP. Me, 20 out of 10, me, I mean, too dope. Tell them 10 out of 10 from TikTok, easiest 10 out of 10. This I'm reading the comments on TikTok, guys. Me. Nice, boys. Alex, best sniper ever, me. Nice, guys, appreciate you all. VIP is an unfair advantage. I mean, guys, look, we are 7,000. I'm not sure if you can see 7,300. 7,332 members. We must be one of the biggest ones. We must be literally one of the biggest ones. We must be one of the biggest ones for sure. It's good, guys. We've come a long way. I mean, it's been years, guys. It's been years in the making. It's been years. VIP for very important printer. Yeah, don't spam, guys. I mean, you get blocked. If you start spamming like that, you just get blocked. No need to be spamming, guys. I said, if we get to 10,000 likes on TikTok, I will open free spots, so... OG will always recommend Alex. He changes lives. He does not only supply knowledge, he delivers it. Appreciate you, Ash. Thank you for the feedback. Guys, this is the feedback of actual members, you know? I just can't make this shit up, guys. This is the feedback from actual members from community. I can't make this shit up, boys. I can't make this shit up. And now wait until we run up this new TikTok account, you guys will see. Wait until we run up this TikTok account and we're gonna go crazy here, boys. Follow me now, guys. I do not follow anyone. If you guys have been followed by someone, just be aware it is not me, okay? It's a scammer pretending to be me for sure, therefore be aware. I do not follow anyone, I do not message anyone, I do not do anything. My only official channel is the one in my bio, and the only way you can contact me is through the username shared in my official channel, which is this one right here. Well, now we won't find. Here, snipe trading underscore VIP. This is my only official username. Any other username, it is not me, okay? So be very aware, guys. So be very aware. Be very, very aware, please, boys. There are some big groups stealing your name, fucking scammers. And look, yeah, the other day someone in the community shared another guy that was sharing a screenshot of the pro group as if it was his own signal. Like, what the fuck? It was funny. It was very funny. That was very, very funny. And guys, this monitor zone, just monitoring, not doing anything for now. Even though price gave a good initial reaction, as I said, the zone looks too clear, zone looks too easy. And those zones usually don't play out, so we gotta be patient, boys. So yeah, boys. Come on, guys, 10,000 likes on YouTube and I'm opening free spots to join community. 10,000 likes and we're opening free spots to join community, boys. And make sure you all follow, guys. Make sure you all hit the follow button like crazy. Time is at 18, so yeah, 12 minutes from now I'm gonna be opening free spots. I guess in 10 minutes we will be at 10,000 likes on TikTok, so uh, 1 second, boys. 1 second, boys. Yo, welcome everyone. So what is the level of the sell zone right here, guys? You just have to open your chart and identify the zone and you will have it, guys. And you will have it. I'm just here doing one thing. Let's see, boys. Let's see, boys. Come on, looks like price moving. I like the sell zone, guys. And I believe we have the point of control lining up. Yeah, just above valid for me. So let's hope we get there. Let's hope we have a good reaction. Let's hope we catch another one like yesterday, guys. And appreciate everyone following. Okay, 12,000 likes, guys. Let me open spots to join community. Alright guys, 10 minutes. I need at least 50 reactions on the message. 50 reactions, guys. At least 50 reactions. Why wouldn't you buy into that range? Because for me to buy, I need a setup. I need a buy setup. If I have a buy setup, then I have a reason to buy. If there is no buy setup, no reason to buy. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. Am I buying from the monitor zone? No, not as of right now. Not as of right now. Not as of right now. 1 second. Bro, where are you today? Not the familiar place. I'm at a home I have in... Well, I'm at a home in Spain. I'm in Spain, guys. Until my new apartment gets renovated, I will be in Spain. Just so you know, boys. Just so you know, boys. Trade yesterday went off. What does that mean? I mean, guys, yesterday's trade, just check it out. Yesterday's trade, just check it out. 1 to 10 risk reward, guys. Great trade, yeah, great trade. Not gonna lie, it was a great trade. Some people thought they got my how stupid. Some people thought they got my link. I mean, you did, but guys, you're gonna get removed right now. I did share by accident the link. I've just revoked it, and all of you guys are gonna be removed. Guau, qué pesados, tío. And the link is revoked, guys, just so you know. Just so you know. Only joined Friday, already made 25% of my account. Beautiful. Love it. How can we enter your VIP group, guys? I'm gonna open spots now in about 4 minutes. I'm gonna open spots in about 4 minutes, boys. 3 minutes now, so be ready. Be ready. Just join here, guys. Join the free channel. Join the free channel here. Let's see if we got to 50 reactions. How do I check? I don't know how to check it. Just join this free channel, guys, and I'm gonna be opening spots in about 10 minutes, okay? All right, and price moving. Price is moving. Price is moving. Price is moving. 1 minute left, boys. 1 minute left. And price moving. Price is moving. Let me open the spots, guys. I almost forgot. Sorry. So yeah, join the channel, guys. I'm gonna be opening spots right now. Right now. Alright, boys, price moving. Sorry, I'm getting distracting. Man, copy trader cooking again. 1% today. Oh, really? I did not check. Did we do a 1% again today? I did not check, guys. Yeah, we did do a 1%, boys. We did do another 1%, boys. Over 1% for me, like 1.5%. Nice, boys. Nice. I did not even check. I mean, it's cooking, guys. It is cooking. It is cooking, boys. It is cooking. Man, it's OP, guys. The copy trade is OP. Literally, I am not even paying attention. I did not even see it had made a 1%. And boom, 1%. Ah, guys, we are in a very good season. I am making a lot from the markets. Lately, I am actually making a lot from the markets. I am making a lot from the fucking markets, guys. That's fucking great, boys. That is fucking great, boys. And okay, let me open spots, guys. Let me open spots because I almost forgot. I mean, guys, I must be the only one here on TikTok Lives that shows you his track record that actually has a copy that's making people money. Just check. Look, I shared you guys the link. If you go into the free group, you go into the free channel, shared you guys the link. Bro, why this thing? I shared you guys the link to the track record so you can open it and you can check for yourself. This is our copy account. So go check it out yourself. And today at 1% again. Nice. Bullshit price action. I mean, for now, price is reacting perfectly to the monitor zone. So all good. And let me open spots, guys. Let me open spots. Let me open spots. Let me open spots, boys. Let me open spots, boys. Let me open spots. My phone is so slow, guys. You would go crazy. You would go crazy. Okay, let me open spots. Ah, guys, okay, the spots, the spots, the spots, the spots, the spots, the spots. Boom. Okay, there you have it, guys. Sorry, my phone is just super slow. Super slow. When you guys start bombarding me with messages, it just goes crazy slow. I go crazy, guys. Ah, you guys bombarding me like literally. Going crazy, guys. Going fucking crazy. Going fucking crazy, boys. Wow, guys, my phone goes too slow, really. The worst purchase I've ever done is this fucking iPhone. Like, really, guys, it's useless. Useless. It's like completely useless. Completely useless, guys. And yo, I would like to know if I have some water here. Let me go check if there's some water. Well, this is all the water I found. iPhone is shit, guys. I swear iPhone is shit. iPhone is shit. Absolute shit. Yo. Yo, tweet? Tweet time? Tweet time, guys? Is this a tweet time? Something will show up now. You will see something will show up here for sure. Okay, guys, wait, we have to watch out now. We have to watch out now. Because I believe there's some sort of news. We must watch out. We must watch out because for sure there is some sort of news. I'm trying to see what is going on. Look at the monitor zone finally, guys. Look at the monitor zone finally. There's 100% been some sort of news, but usually the move happens, then we get the news, so... Because we do not have Bloomberg terminal. Look, now is the only time, guys, where it's worth it to have a freaking Bloomberg terminal. I need to check, guys, what is happening. I need to check what is happening. We're not getting anything, guys. We are not getting anything. We have to really be careful, guys. We have to really be careful now, because for sure there's been some news. So let's be very patient, okay? Let's be very patient, because guaranteed there's some news. I'm checking here everywhere I can check. All of the apps I use to track news. Efforts are ongoing for US-Iran resolution at 12:45. Efforts are ongoing for US-Iran resolution. Well, guys, we have to really watch out now, okay? We have to really watch out. Price is coming very close, but let's be patient. There's just been news, US-Iran resolution, so let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. It has to be a monitor zone now, because there's been news. And as much as I like the zone, guys, with this news, anything can happen. So yeah, the news have been efforts are ongoing for US-Iran resolution. Language has been drafted on a possible US-Iran deal. We have to really watch out, boys. Have to really watch out, because this could blast, because there's been news right now, guys. So let's watch out. As I say, turn into a monitor zone, because as much as I like the zone, guys, there's just been news, which Forex Factory is slow. Look, a goated app for news, guys, for your phone to have is Financial Juice. Financial Juice is a goated app. It's, I think, the fastest. Financial Juice, just download it. It's super old school app, but it is the most on time app, or the fastest app to track news. Like to track ongoing. For example, in this period we are right now, it is the fastest app to come up with the news, with the relevant news. Well, for now, price reacting to the fib levels, perfectly reacting to the fib levels. But guys, keep it very patient, because there have just been news regarding the war. Okay, there's just been news regarding the war, so be very careful, boys. And look at the freaking monitor zone, guys. But yeah, just monitor, guys, just monitor. Just monitor, boys. And guys, I opened 3 spots to join community. Go take advantage of those if you wish. And those of you on YouTube, I'm also live on TikTok right now, so go join the TikTok stream as well. Do yourself a favor, follow on TikTok. I'm not mad, price did not tap me in by few pips. I'm not mad at all, because there is this news, and you see Forex Factory is fucking shit, guys, takes ages, really. Very useful app, the Financial Juice. Bro, if the war ends now, I've just bought an apartment in Dubai in the small market correction. I've just bought an apartment in Dubai. If the war ends now, boom, instantly 10% up on my apartment. Instant 10% up on my apartment. This war will only end when Trump has made enough money and he's satisfied. That's the only time the war will end. As soon as Trump has made enough money and he's satisfied. Then he will be like, fuck, I might tell everyone to the public we have been defeated, or they have won, or we're gonna agree to his terms, but he will have a few more billion in his, he will be worth a few more billion. Fam, a lot of members did catch the buy. Guys, I am just monitoring the sell zone, okay? Just letting you know, I'm just monitoring the sell zone right now. A lot of members I just saw did catch the buy, guys. Congrats to them. Nice, guys. Very nice. But as I say, sell zone for now is monitor, guys. We have this news going on. Make sure you all follow on TikTok, guys, as I'm also streaming there, where there is less delay. I was about to say less volatility. And look, price again edging me. Gold is edging me, guys. Is my Telegram channel free? Yeah, you get access to my free Telegram channel, and I pretty much share every single trade I take on live, guys. And yeah, I opened spots just now to join for free. And look, I even had the message ready for 61. Just in case. For the sell zone I was sharing this morning. But yeah, for now, just monitoring, guys. Price came super close. Imagine we would have entered, guys. How nice it would have been. As when sniper level. But yeah, now, guys, we can only monitor the sell zone. My phone, guys, my phone is too slow. You guys bombard me with messages. I get a million messages and my phone becomes crazy slow. Did I enter? No, I did not. I know, but nice zone to zone. Man, market, guys. Market is being very responsive. Market is actually being very, very responsive, guys. It's good to see. It's really good to see a market like this. It is really good to see you. Welcome everyone. Market is being very responsive lately, and that makes me very happy, guys. Not gonna lie to you, that makes me very happy. That makes me very happy. Yo, I appreciate everyone sharing the live. Where are my headless chicken? Who entered the sell zone, guys? I know you very well, you know. I know you as if I was your father at this point. I did not, but guys, OP. Look, you see now it appears, the news. Now the news appears. Forex Factory, horrible for news, guys. Financial Juice, really, is the best app on the phone to track real-time news events. With difference. Headless chicken, you guys know what I'm talking about. I did me. I wish I was headless. Yeah, you wish until you don't, until you stop wishing. Why you block me in Telegram? Because guys, you know I don't like when we share the steps and then you message me again, or we tell you the instructions clearly and you try to act smart, then you get blocked, guys. I mean, I don't care, you know. It's not like I need your commissions. I just don't care, you know. I know who can be a good person to be in the community and who not. Therefore, if I feel like you're not a good person in the community, like if I feel you're not gonna be a good person to have inside the community, then you're just gonna get blocked, so you don't even go through the onboarding or anything, you know? You don't waste my time, I don't waste your time, and that's done. You're a legend, Alex. Best community going. Let's keep going. Appreciate you. How many signals in community usually per day? 2 to 7 signals a week, guys. And believe me, you're gonna make much more money just by taking 2 to 7 trades a week. You're gonna make much more money by taking 2 to 7 trades per week than by taking 5 trades a day. Believe me, guys. Believe me. And you're gonna live a much more peaceful life while making more money. Do I trade daily with your community? Yes, I do. Financial juice for news? Yes. The best news, like I track many places. I track investing, Forex Factory, and so on, and there's always a massive delay. Look, now the reason it's dumping. You see, guys, the manipulation of the market. Focus right now is on short-term resolution. Resolution would help to go back to US-Iran talks. Nothing in books when it comes to US-Iran direct talks. And then price starts dumping. Guys, they just doing whatever they want with the market. That's so fucked up, guys. It's even funny at this point. It is even funny at this point what this guy is doing. Copy trading will also take 2 to 7 trades a week, yeah, more or less. Fridays it doesn't trade the copy trader, but guys, it's doing very good. It is doing very good, although this is still counting from the first deposit. It's still counting from the first deposit, which was a 50k, which I'm not sure why deposits are not appearing, but then I did another 100k deposit here in May. Sometime here I did another 100k deposit, but the percentage, it's still calculating from the first deposit. I really need to figure out how this is calculating it, but whatever. Go check it out, guys. Go check it out, boys. No wish that I can na 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 na. How come I never use alerts? What do you mean alerts? In what sense? I never use alerts in what sense? No wish that I na na. There was news, yes. There was news. Look, guys, I have the team going crazy, guys. Look at all of the messages just from now, from this spot's opening. All of these messages just from now. Have the team going crazy, answering all of you. The trading view alerts, I mean, if I'm not gonna be on the charts, I will place alerts, but right now I'm looking at the chart. I mean, I'm not gonna miss anything. I'm not gonna miss anything. Greetings from Bulgaria, welcome. Well, the sell zone was a sell zone, but then the news happened, then it became a monitor zone. But now they're saying that, guys, like the manipulation going on in the market right now is crazy with all of this fucking news and all of this bullshit. It's actually crazy, guys. It is actually crazy. Why did price move up? Because they said they were... I'm gonna read you exactly the news. Draft Language has been drafted on a possible US-Iran deal. This gave this move. Then, 7 minutes after, nothing in books when it comes to US-Iran direct talks. Boom, price dumps. And then, now, right now, or 3 minutes ago, Qatar's Al Ansari, until now we cannot say the US-Iran deal has been reached. So you can see what we're dealing with, guys. You can see what we're dealing with. Where are you? I am in Spain right now, guys. Can't wait for my apartment to be ready and move back to my new apartment, guys. I can't wait. I cannot wait, boys. I cannot wait, boys. Forex Factor didn't show this news. Yeah, I'm looking financial juice. Forex Factor is slow as fuck, guys. The best is financial juice for real-time news. That we guys as retails have access to, if not Bloomberg Terminal, obviously. And now, like, usually it's not something I would ever need Bloomberg Terminal, but during this period of time, a Bloomberg Terminal would be very useful. It's like 30,000 euros a year, per year, something like that, I believe. All right, price moving again. Price is moving. Price is moving, boys. No, wish that I can know. Na 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 na. Yesterday was boom, smash 700 in profit yesterday. Yesterday was a great trading day, yes. It indeed was a great trading day. It was indeed a great trading day. The sun is starting to hit me here, guys, and I do not like it. I have the AC full power straight to my face, and I'm still sweating over here, boys. I wish that na 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 na. Come on, gold. Is it still active? Yeah, I'm still looking at it. Actually, I'm still looking at it. monitoring it at this point. Let's see if there's any other news. Last news should be bearish for gold, so we will see. We will see. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Now wish that na 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 na. Come on, boys, let's see gold. Let's see gold, boys. Let's see gold, let's see gold, let's see gold. Monitoring the zone right now, guys, obviously. And my phone just doesn't work. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Appreciate it. Guys, I need to sit properly. If not, I'm gonna break my back. By the way, guys, yesterday I played golf. You know, I shot +9 on 18 holes, which is okay. I mean, it's slightly bad, but okay. I did +10 on the front 9 and -1 on the back 9. It's the first time I ever break 36 on 9 holes. I did +10 on the front 9 and -1 on the back 9. -1 on the back 9. I was excited for it. But the +10 was brutal. I did 1 quadruple bogey, 3 doubles, 1 quadruple, 3 doubles, 2 bogeys, 1 bogey and 2 birdies. -1. Guys, first ever time I break 36 on 9 holes. Bro, I was playing good. But the front 9 were horrible, guys. You can't imagine. I mean, I did double, double, par, double, then par, 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 then quadruple, then par, and then I did the back 9, amazing back 9. Now, of course, no mulligans, guys. It was a money match. Yeah, it was a very good back 9, guys. It was a very good back 9. I'm not gonna my best 9 holes ever. My best back 9 till now is +1, nice. I did one, like -1, back 9, very good. And I was already giving up on the match. We were playing for money, I was already giving up on the match, like, yo. I am 10 over. I was down literally like 6 holes. We were doing match play. I was down like 6 holes, and then I locked in. Then I properly locked in back 9. Hearing what Alex replies on comments which are not in this chat seems like it's a clone channel. Guys, it's because I'm live on TikTok and on YouTube at the same time. That's why sometimes you will hear me read or answer to stuff you don't see in the chat, because I'm reading another stream. Just FYI. Just FYI. My best was even par for bag 9. Best ever score is 79 +7. Nice. My best score is 77. But you know what's the most fucked up part, guys? I shot a 77 like 2 years ago. I shot the 77 like 2 years ago. Since I've just been going downhill, guys, with my golf. Shot a 77, but I've done many 79s, 78s, 80s, 81s. I would say my average round now is between 79 and 84. It is really tough to do what you did on the back 9 when you already hit +10 on the front ones, yeah. Well, the thing is, as I look, by the time we started the 10th hole, I was like, okay, the match is over. I already asked him for the crypto wallet to pay him the bet, and I was like, just fuck it, you know, like, I'm done. I'm just gonna play for fun. But obviously, we kept on playing the match, and then I just started logging in. It was very good back 9. I was -2, and I did a bogey on the 18th. I was -2, and I did a bogey on the 18th hole, and that's why I went -1. But yeah, man, I was over the moon all afternoon. I mean, who wouldn't be? Didn't he think you hustling him? No, because it was expected for me to win. I gave him even 4 shots. I gave him 4 shots. 5 shots, 5. I gave him. My short game is the best, guys. You know, my short game has really improved, and I do a lot of up and downs now. A lot of up and downs. You know, the reason is because when we are in Dubai now, we are just playing from the tips, from the furthest tees. Therefore, the chances of hitting the green in regulation is much lower. So you are forced in maybe 70% of the holes to play an up and down shot. And I have really improved my up and like my short game. Especially I do now a lot of up and downs. It's like my strength right now, doing up and downs. And it's because we have been playing a lot the back tees, like the tips in Dubai, which forces you to practice the up and down. Because just so you know, guys, I never go hit the range. I never practice, I just play golf. Like I just play holes. It's very uncommon for me to go hit the range. It's like boring for me, you know, I like to play. Therefore, as I never practiced my chipping or whatever, as I really never practiced it, now I really started practicing thanks to playing from the tips. Hope it makes sense. And guys, make sure you all follow. Those of you on YouTube, go check my TikTok live. Sorry guys, I'm getting stuck here. In what do you keep your crypto wallet? I do not have crypto. Zero crypto. Zero. Come on, gold approaching. You know, I don't have crypto because I spent it all in an apartment. Spent pretty much all the crypto I had in an apartment, except my long-term holdings. But everything I had in my active wallet, everything went into the new apartment. Did I manage to get a loan? No. Better, because really I had the money there. I wasn't really doing anything with that money. So I just spent it on the apartment and that's it. And now I'm living rent free and it appreciates. So I'm making money essentially while I live and I am not paying any interest rates or whatever. And it wasn't a crazy expensive apartment, I mean. Just have the money there sitting around, rather just put it in the apartment. And now if I want, I can pull out equity of the apartment. But I mean, I'm not gonna need it ever, hopefully. All right, price approaching again, boys. Let's see, let's be patient. Let's be patient because there's news going on. Let me check very quick my favorite app for these market conditions. Not much going on. You bought at a good time. Yeah, that's why I'm getting excited, because if now they say the war has ended, markets are gonna rebotar, like rebound. Just get back to the old prices or close to the old prices. So yeah, I'm gonna essentially make a 10% quickly. But I didn't buy it as an active investment really. I bought it as a place for me to live in, has amazing views, amazing location, I love it. I'm doing brand new interior, all for me to live in, and maybe in 3 years I move away. When hopefully, if everything keeps on going as it's going or even better, 3 years most likely I will be moving somewhere better, bigger, whatever. Then I might consider selling it, but it's not, even if I sell it at break even after 3 years, I won't care. Which is very unlikely to happen. Most likely I will make some money on it in 3 years' time. Boy maths, yeah. But guys, you need to understand that there is no property tax in Dubai. Literally, the only thing I pay now for my apartment is the service charges, which the same building provides me. Swimming pool, provides me tennis courts, provides me gym, provides me maintenance people, provides me all of this, and it's cheap. Maybe it's like, I don't know, like 600 euros a month. I really don't know it, but I remember it was cheap. And there's no tax. Essentially, it's I just have my house and that's it, and I just pay the service charge. and obviously the light and the gas, and that's it, because it has it's chiller free. All right, price approaching. I have never lost money on properties in Dubai. Yeah, me, it's the first property I ever bought. But as I say, I'm not doing it as an active investment. I'm doing it as a store of value, really, more than anything else. Okay, price coming close, boys. Let's be patient. And by the way, make sure you all subscribe, guys, and go join my free group in bio. I opened spots earlier to join for free. I believe a few have been taken already. They are not gonna last long, I can tell you this right now. So take advantage of that if you wish, boys. If you don't wish, then don't take advantage of it. Is it hot in Dubai? Yes, I am not in Dubai right now. I'm in Spain, and it's equally as hot. And the main difference is that Spain, these places are not prepared for such heat, you know? In Dubai, everything is prepared for the heat. You have crazy ACs everywhere. Here, no. Here, you're sweating all day. There, at least, in the street, you're sweating, but it's all well prepared. I am monitoring, guys. Be patient. Be patient. But I'm monitoring the sell. Price already tapped on Oanda, not on Star Trader. Let's see, guys. I'm looking. I'm gonna give it a shot, guys. I'm going in. And I'm gonna be looking to protect. Guys, my phone is too slow. Okay. Guys, fuck, I wanted to send it here with this. Alright. Let's see. I'm in, boys. I am in, and as I say, I will be looking to protect this quickly. And I'm running 10 pips. I'm gonna be looking to protect this position quickly, guys. Because with the news, I mean, you never know. Running few pips in drawdown. Let's see. Running few pips in drawdown, and okay, now pretty much at break even again. I'm gonna be very protective with this position, guys. Gonna be very protective. We're running 6 pips in drawdown, and I'm not loving this initial reaction, guys. So let's see. Running 10 pips in drawdown now. Not loving this initial reaction. We might have to close this. Might have to close for a very small loss. Now we're running what, 7 pips in drawdown. Not loving the initial reaction. I'm just seeing if prices coming somewhere. Not loving the initial reaction, guys. Tapped out. Tapped out, boys. Tapped out. Did it tap me out? It did tap me out. Tapped out, boys. SL, like always, guys. You know, we share the wins, we share the losses. We share the wins and we share the losses, guys. Yo, where is the fucking We share the wins, we share the losses, guys. Still up today from copy, but yeah, this is most likely because of the news yesterday. We got a crazy trade. We were in a crazy win streak, guys. We were in a crazy win streak, but still a lot of day ahead of us. So all good, boys. It's unfortunate on this first tap right here. Price did not get to tap us in. A lot of news going on, so whatever. And the monitor zone finally was the zone. This is just so you see. What's it? Still a lot of day ahead of us, guys. Still a lot of day ahead of us. Did price just wig me out? We will see. We will see if price just wigged me out. But still, now it's not worth it for me. I will share any other zone. I mean, I would potentially be looking more at something around this area. I would potentially be looking at something more around this area. Right here. To see if price wants to keep up, but the thing is, guys, with this news going on, with all this drama going on, let's see what's the most recent. US Treasury. Not much going on. This zone I would monitor now. But guys, look, you need to understand. You need to understand something that's very important to understand, guys. You need to understand one thing that's very important to understand. Look, here I took a 26 pip stop loss, 27 pip stop loss. Okay, 27 pip stop loss. I just took right now, here on live. 27 pip stop loss. But yesterday we caught a trade that ran 400 pips. Like, you guys need to understand. Okay, you guys need to understand. You guys need to understand. And yeah, looks like price did wig me out. Let's go, welcome guys. Yo, make sure you all follow and join our free group in bio. As you see guys, I show you everything exactly as it is. Yesterday we also took a 20 pip loss followed by a 400 pip win. Let's hope it's the same today. We will see. Market will decide.
Me acabo de dar cuenta que hay un formato.
So yeah, boys. I'm out on the sell zone, guys. Here we got 27 pip loss. Nothing dramatic. Very small loss. Yesterday we got a monster trade. Now waiting on this one over here. Nothing dramatic. Nothing dramatic, boys. I got wicked out on the sell, guys. I got wicked out on the sell. Whatever. I had this sell zone here. Got wicked out on it. Price looked to take out this high over here. I was already counting for price taking out this high, but price always wants to take the most extreme high. Got wicked out for 27 pip loss. We're still up like for 300 and at least 300 pips still up this week, so whatever. Brutally wicked out, guys. Brutally wicked out. I had my SL at 64, guys. I had my SL at 64. But I am not in. I'm waiting now for my next setup, guys. I am waiting now for my next setup. I'm waiting now for my next setup. Compounding trades got me in the mud, lost everything from yesterday. But guys, how can you lose everything from yesterday if yesterday we made 400 pips? How can a 27 pip stop loss make you lose everything from yesterday? I made at least 8 times. Well, technically I made 6 times yesterday on what I lost on this trade. 6 times. So I could lose 6 trades on a row to be back at break even. Guys, I am not in here, man. There's some news for sure going on. To be honest, not the best day to be exposing yourself to the market. Not the best day to one be exposing himself to the market. Let's see. But well, guys, as I say here, I am not doing anything. There is no news here. This is in between sessions. Who's gonna tell him? Who's gonna tell him? Look, right now. US, we may have an Iran deal tomorrow to open Hormuz. Right now, we may have an Iran deal tomorrow to open Hormuz. Right now. This is why price now did the sudden move to the upside. Bro, and the fucking monitor zone this morning. Look at the monitor zone this morning. It looked too good to be true, and it wasn't too good to be true. It was as good and as true as it looked. Imagine the monitor zone, I swear. I swear. Now this is gonna skyrocket. Fuck, guys, look at the monitor zone from this morning. And the monitor zone, guys, the fucking monitor zone price skyrocketed. What is this? Ah, just 200 pips. Fuck, look how nice. 200 pips is this, guys. You remember at the start of the year, 200 pips was nothing. Just this tiny candle was 200 pips. We are going back to normal, guys. This is gonna fly now. It's gonna fly until someone says opposite news. It's gonna fly until there's opposite news. It's gonna fly. Bro. Guys, look at the monitor zone from this morning, guys. crazy, boys. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Chamber's printing money. This guy, like really. I don't even want to imagine how much money these guys are making. Like, I genuinely don't even want to imagine how much these guys are making. Because you imagine, guys, you're in Qatar or in one of these I mean, it's a dictatorship, like monarchic dictatorships, where you can do all of the illegal trading you want because no one is gonna come tell you anything. Like, imagine how much fucking money they're making. Insane, boys. Insane. Look at the monitor zone from this morning, guys. And the monitor zone from this morning. Man, if we were to catch this monitor zone here, this was yesterday straight. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. What's the price? What's the price of BTC at? By the way, guys, 5 spots left to join community. So I said not gonna last long today. Will I be trading again later? I might be trading again later, yes. We shall see, boys. We shall see. Nevertheless, amazing trading week for now. Hey, price went straight to a zone I had marked out. Price went straight to a level I had marked out. 83.79. 83.79. 83.79. This is of this trade we took here. The price went straight again to this level right now. $83.79. Straight. Look at this. Straight to that level. No, wish that I could know. Na, 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 na. Tomorrow is a green day, yeah, or maybe today, guys. Still time ahead, guys. Still we have time ahead. Do not worry. Well, boys, have an amazing day, and any other setup will be shared today to community. All right, make sure you follow, subscribe. Those of you on YouTube, I'm also live on TikTok. Follow, subscribe, and see you all. Bye bye.